Our drug development and manufacturing business really started to grow exponentially the last few years. We knew we had to stay ahead of that, and we had to expand and create the necessary space to continue to meet our client demand. So what we did is we went out and looked, and we found a 35,000 square foot building located directly behind our current 30,000 square foot building. This was a great space for us to acquire, so we grabbed it as quickly as we can, and we started expanding inside of this building. The first thing we did is add a warehouse. The new warehouse triples the capacity of our current warehouse. And then we also added additional grade C and grade D manufacturing suites. This literally doubled the size of our CDMO facility, and the expansion allowed us to increase our cGMP manufacturing bandwidth and take on additional clients and projects, including those that are highly potent compounds. But we didn't stop there. A couple months after that, Alladap, who is a long-standing and very good client of ours, and that we developed jointly with them the formulation and manufacturing processes. We've been current production for them for all their phase 1 and phase 2 clinical needs. They contracted us to continue their growth. They needed phase 3 supplies, but they needed it at a much larger scale. So we went out again and we looked for another facility. This time we found a 53,000 square foot facility that would allow us to support all of Aldat's requirements. And currently we're in the middle of construction of that facility. And construction is going to include raw material release for incoming warehousing projects. We're going to then have GMP manufacturing suites for our client, and then finished product for analytical release at the end. So we'll be able to handle all aspects of Alladap's phase 3 clinical demands and even further into the commercial demands down the road. As you can see, we take our commitment to our clients and the success of each and every one of their projects very seriously. It is a really exciting time here at Altasciences, and we look forward to what the future of pharma has in store for us.